Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, term 1, chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is addition. This is our revision lecture number 2. Today's topics are multiple choice questions, true or false, write the missing numbers, fill in the blanks, regrouping of numbers. So first one is multiple choice questions. So beta, in these type of questions, we have given 4 options of one question. Okay, and we have to choose the correct one. Okay, so let's start. In question number 1, it is given when we add 0 to any number, we get dash number. So beta, what do you mean by it? When we add 0 means जब हम 0 ऐड करते हैं किसी नंबर में, we get dash number. तो हमें कौन सा नंबर मिलता है? And our options are A0, B1, C number itself and D both A and C. So beta, what is its answer? That is the number itself. Let's see how. Suppose we will add 3 plus 0. So our answer is 3. So it is the number itself. So our answer is option C, number itself. Now question number 2. When we add 1 to any number, we get dash number. So here our options are A, 0, B, number itself, C, 1 and D, next number. So here we have to add 1. So when we add 1 to any number like 3 plus 1, so that is equal to 4 and 4 is the next number of 3. So option D, next number is correct. Now in question number 3 it is given in addition sums. Addition sums में the numbers to be added are called dash. जो numbers हम add करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बुलाते हैं? So here options are addition, B total, C addends and D sum. So बेटा जिन numbers को हम add करते हैं वो numbers addends कहलाते हैं. So option C is correct, addends. Now the next is question number 4. If we add 76 and 4, तो बेटा जब हम 76 और 4 को add करेंगे, then the total is dash. Okay, and our options are A 76, B 4, C 80, D 60. So beta, first of all, we have to keep 76 in our mind. Okay, and open your 4 fingers. Now let's start counting forward. 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. So our answer is 80 and that is in option number C. So option C is correct. Okay. Now question number 5. After adding the numbers, the result obtained is called the dash. जब हम numbers को add करते हैं बेटा, तो जो हमारा result आता है उस result को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? Options are A addition, B total, C addends and D numbers. तो बेटा जब हम दो numbers को add करते हैं तो जो हमारा answer आता है उसे हम बुलाते हैं total. So option B is correct, total. Now in question number 6, which number is nearest to 80? And our options are A 23, B 49, C 70 and D 77. So here beta which number is nearest to 80 means कि वो number जो 80 के सबसे पास है. Okay, and that number is 77. So our option number D is correct. 77. The next is question number 7. 3 tenths plus 2 tenths is equal to dash. So here beta 3 tenths means 30 and 2 tens means 20. So let's see what are options in A 4, B 5 tens and C 50 and in D both option B and C. Okay, so here beta 3 plus 2 because यहाँ पे भी हमें tens given है और यहाँ पे भी हमें tens given है, तो 3 plus 2 5 tens, it means option number B is correct. And 5 tens, when we multiply 5 by 10 we get 50, it means option C is also correct, and these both options are given in option number D. So our answer is option number D, in which it is written option B and C both are correct. Okay, so 5 tens or 50 both answers are correct. Now in question number 8, 10 tens is equal to dash. Options are A 10, B 1, C 100 and D tens. So beta 10 tens means we have to multiply 10 by 10. Okay, so 10 tens are 100. So option C is correct. Now in question number 9, there are 230 chickens in poultry farm A. एक poultry farm है जिसका नाम है A, उसमें 230 chickens हैं. ठीक है, poultry farm का क्या होती है बेटा, जहाँ पे मुर्गियों को रखा जाता है. And 100 chickens are in poultry farm B. और poultry farm B में 100 chickens हैं. So how many chickens are in both poultry farm? तो बताइए दोनों पोल्ट्री फॉर्म में कितने चिकन्स हैं. ऑप्शंस आर A 230 chickens, B 330 chickens, C 100 chickens. So option B 330 chickens are correct. Now the next is write true or false. So here we have to see whether the given statement is true or false. If the given statement is correct, then we will write true. If the given statement is incorrect, then we will write false. So here 15 plus 6 is equal to 12. So beta, keep 15 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Let's start counting forward. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So here beta, our answer should be 21, but it is given that is equal to 12. So this statement is incorrect. So we will write false for it. Okay. Now in question number 2, 34 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 34. So here you can see beta, the same numbers are given 34 and 10, and here also 10 and 34. So both numbers are same and addition sign is given. It means this is the order property of addition. So this statement is correct, means true. Now in question number 3, it is given 6 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 6 and is equal to 7 plus 6 plus 4. So here we have given 3 numbers and addition sign is also given. Everywhere same numbers are given. So this is also the order property of addition. It means this statement is also true. So we will write true for it. Now in question number 4, if we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. अगर बेटा हम किसी नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं तो हमें नेक्स्ट नंबर मिलता है. Yes, this statement is also true because if we want to add 6 plus 1, we will get 7. Okay, and 7 is the next number of 6. So we'll write true for it. Now in question number 5, if we add 0 to any number, we get the next number. So here we are adding 0, means suppose we have 4 chocolates और हमें किसी ने और कोई chocolate नहीं दी. So how many chocolates are with us? Only 4, है ना? So it is saying we get next number and that is false. So we'll write false for it. Okay. Now the next is 51 plus 10 is equal to 61. Yes, beta. Now keep 51 in your mind and open your 10 fingers. Let's start counting. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Yes, it is equal to 61. And so this statement is correct. So we will write true. Now in question number 7, we never write two digits under any place. इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा कि हम दो डिजिट्स को एक ही प्लेस के अंदर नहीं लिख सकते. Yes. Okay. This statement is true. Now in question number 8, it is given 15 chocolates plus 4 chocolates is equal to 20 chocolates. So here 15, keep 15 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start counting. 16, 17, 18, 19. So our answer should be 19 chocolates. But it is given 20 chocolates. So this statement is false. So we'll write false for it. Now in question number 9, if we add 1 to 75, we get 76. अगर हम 1 ऐड कर रहे हैं 75 में तो हमें आंसर मिल रहा है 76. Yes, because 76 is the next number of 75. और जब हम ऐड करते हैं 17 किसी भी नंबर में तो हमें नेक्स्ट नंबर मिलता है. So this statement is true. Now in question number 10, 5 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 7 tens. So here 5 plus 2. So keep 5 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Let's start counting. 6, 7. Yes, this is equal to 7 tens. So this statement is also true. So we'll write true for it. Now the next is write the missing number. In A part it is given 68 plus dash is equal to 72. इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा कि 68 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमारा आंसर 72 आ जाए. So first of all keep 68 in your mind. Now we will start counting and we will speak counting up to 72 and we will open one finger. Okay. Now let's start. After 68, 69, open one finger, 70, open second finger, 71, open third finger, and 72, open fourth finger. So how many fingers we have opened? That is 4. So we will write 4 here. So 68 plus 4 is equal to 72. Now in B part, 412 plus 9 is equal to dash. So keep 412 in your mind and open your 9 fingers. So let's start counting forward. 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419, 420, 421. So our answer is 421. Now in C part, 67 plus dash is equal to 73. So again here we have to keep 67 in our mind and we have to speak counting up to 73 and we will open one finger accordingly. So let's start. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. So how many fingers you have opened? That is 6. So we will write 6 here. Now in D part, 200 plus 200 plus 200 is equal to dash. So here 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. So our answer is 600. Okay, so we will write 600 here. Now in E part, 34 plus 7 plus 5. So here what we have to do? First of all, we have to keep 34 in our mind. Okay, and open your 7 fingers. So let's start counting forward. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Now keep 41 in your mind and open your 5 fingers. Now let's start counting after 41. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So we'll write 46 here. Okay. Now in F part, 45 plus dash is equal to 5 plus 45. So this is the order property of addition. So what we will write here? The number that is not given to us and that is 5. So we will write 5 here. Now the next is fill in the blanks. So here in A part it is given the dash is the sign of addition. Sign of addition कौन सा होता है बेटा? That is this plus sign. Okay. Now in B part 456 plus 0 is equal to dash. So here we are adding 0, and when we add 0 to any number we get the number itself. So we will write here 456. Now in C part 29 plus 1 is equal to dash. So here 29 plus 1 is equal to 30, because when we add 1 to any number we get the next number of our counting. Now in D part 199 plus 1 is equal to dash. So after 199 which number comes? That is 200. So we will write 200 here. Now in E part 599 plus 4 is equal to dash. So keep 599 in your mind and open your 4 fingers. So let's start counting after 599. 600, 601, 602, 603. So we will write 603. Now in F part 65 plus 48 is equal to dash plus 65. So this is again the order property of addition. So what we will write here? The number that is not given to us, and that is 48. देखो 65 यहाँ पे already given है, दोनों उसमें है sides पे 65 and 48 हमें one side पे दिया हुआ है and equal to का sign given है, तो हम यहाँ पर कौन सा number लिख देंगे? 48. Now in G part it is given 40 plus 7. So here beta we have to add 40 plus 7. So 7 is at ones place here in this, and here 0 is given. So 7 plus 0 is 7. So at ones place we have to write 7, and at tens place we have to write 4. So our answer is 4747. Now in H part 999 plus 0 is equal to dash. So here we are adding 0 to 999. So we will get the number itself, that is 999. Now in I part it is given 999 plus 1. So here we are adding 1 to 999. So we will get the next number, and after 999 in our counting which number comes? That is 1000. 1000. 1000. Now in J part 887 plus 7. So here we have to keep 887 in our mind and open your 7 fingers. So let's start counting after 887. 888, 889, 890, 891, 892, 893, 894. So our answer is 894. Now in K part 450 plus 6. So now keep 450 in our mind and 6 on your fingers. Let's start counting after 450. 451, 452, 453, 454, 455, 456. So our answer is 456. Now the next is regrouping of numbers. So here beta in A part it is given 2 tens and 14 ones is equal to dash plus dash. So here beta in ones place it is given 14, but in 14 we have two digits, ones and tens. So what we will do here, we will keep 4 here at ones place and 1 will be carry over at tens place. So 2 plus 1 here, that is equal to 3. So here 3 tens and 4 ones. So first of all we will write here 4 ones, then we will write here 3 tens. So our answer is 3 tens, 4 ones, because 10 ones is equal to 1 ten. So here we are adding 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 tens. Now in B part, 8 tens and 12 ones. So here again we will have given in 12 there are two digits. This is ones place digit and this is tens place digit. So here again we will regroup by giving 1 to tens place, that is equal to 9. So here 9 tens and 2 ones is our answer. So here we will write 2 ones and here in this we will write 9 tens. Now in C part, 4 tens, 23 ones. So here at tens place it is given 2 in 23. Tens place 2 is there. So we will carry forward 2. ओके, तो हम 2 को बेटा 4 टेंस के पास लेके जाएंगे तो ये कितना बन गया 4 plus 2 6. So here the answer is 6 tens and 3 ones. So here first of all we will write 3 ones and then we will write here 6 tens. Now in D part 3 tens 18 ones. तो बेटा यहाँ पे हमें again 18 में 2 digits given है ones और tens places. Now we will forward this one to 3 tens. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4 tens and 8 ones. So here we will write 8 ones first of all. Then we will write here 4 tens. The next is 5 tens, 10 ones. And we know that 10 ones means 110. So here the answer is 6 tens. 5 के अंदर हमने इस 1 को ऐड कर दिया 6 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so we'll write 0 ones here and 6 tens here. Now in next 7 tens, 12 ones. So here we have to carry forward this one to tens. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 tens and 2 ones is our answer. So here first of all we will write 2 ones and here we have to write 8 tens. Now in next 4 tens, 13 ones. So again in we have given two places in ones. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So here 5 tens and 3 ones. Means हमें क्या करना है बेटा, जो वंस प्लेस वाला डिजिट है वो हमें वंस प्लेस के लिए ही रखना है और जो उसके साथ हमें टेंस वाला प्लेस दिया हुआ है उसे हमें कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना है. ओके, दैट इज 3 ones and 5 tens. Now in next 3 tens, 29 ones. So here we have to keep 9 here at ones place and 2 will be carry forward with tens place. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 tens and 9 ones. So here first of all we will write 9 ones and then we will write here 5 tens. Understood beta? Now today's homework, do revision assignment number 2 of chapter 2 addition given on at Quark website. बेटा मैम ने आपके लिए assignment बनाया है, okay, and you have to do that assignment in your notebook. And if you have any query, you can ask in class. Okay, बेटा. Thank you.